new home and a new baby, two major life milestones. And for a Lowell couple, they came quickly, one right on Bill Sanford and Caitlin Powers were set to close on a new home in Lowell Thursday morning when Powers started going into labor. Their attorney met them at Lowell General Hospital, where they signed all the paperwork at around 8:30 a.m. Just 20 minutes later, Powers gave birth to a baby girl, Catherine Alice.
Nationwide. Matt Piper, CBS News.
It's 5:57. Don't forget you can listen to WBZ News Radio at home or at work by pulling us up on your smart speaker. Tell it to play WBZ News Radio or iHeart on iHeartRadio. You can also download the iHeartRadio app.
Our 2021 iHeartRadio Music Festival, the ultimate once-in-a-lifetime music event, is coming to the CW. Let's get it started. The biggest stars from all genres of music share one stage.
Billie Eilish,
Cheap Trick, Coldplay, Darius Rucker,
J. Cole,
Journey, Khalid, Verbatim, Nelly, Bam Hunt, Weezer, with special guest Laura Jordan Line, Walker Hayes, performances you've never seen before and will never see again. 2021 iHeartRadio Music Festival.
Watch next Saturday and Sunday at 8 p.m. on Boston's CW56.
Building something means